Hello and welcome guys. In this video tutorial, I'll explain you how to check your computer RAM speed and RAM type. So let's begin. For this, just open command prompt and type WMIC space memory chip space get space device locator comma space and type speed, then press enter. It is done guys. As you can see, the system RAM is 1600 megahertz. And now let's check memory type. So open command prompt once again and type WMIC space memory chip space get space device locator comma single space and memory type and press enter. So guys, the number we get is 24 and this is the chart, so you can easily understand what type of memory you have in your computer or laptop. I hope guys this video will help you. Thanks for watching.